Just to say, we've got a couple of buckets on the table outside for creative response. So if you've enjoyed the evening, first thing I'd say is buy the merch of the artist, because that's a great way to support the artist. So if they've got any merch for sale, please buy it. And if you've got any spare cash, do put it in the buckets there for creative response. It's a great local charity based in Farnham by the library, and it provides art, pottery and music classes to people with addiction and mental health issues. And the people there do a fantastic job looking after those who are less fortunate than some of us. So yeah, do support it if you can. Now, if I could ask everybody to take their seats, I'm going to introduce our next act. And I must say, I must admit, I've been playing this band a lot on my Spotify because I think they're fantastic. They come all the way from Reading to play for us tonight. So please give a big warm welcome to Tomorrow Birds.
No pressure then. Baby, been feeling lately like you're trying to make me go out of my mind. I'm sick, trying to force it. This game is toxic, gotta quit living this lie. Once upon a time we had a good thing going on. Damn if I remember when it's been so long enough time. Baby, I'm done. Love, this dance is over. Can't bear another day swallowing my rage. Baby, what I need, you're never gonna give it me enough. This cage, I'm gonna fly free and get gone. Baby, get gone. 20-second chance was over way too long ago. Never do a thing unless you're doing it for show. Every time you speak, I know I heard it all before. You treat me like a sick, keep me coming back for more. Too damn long, you've been doing me wrong. I am done. Baby, get gone. Baby, get gone. I don't need your condescension. Sick of this pretension. Done feeding your ego. You're not what I need. So pack your bag and get out. 20-second chance was over way too long ago. You never do a thing unless you're doing it for show. Every time you speak, I know I heard it all before. Treat me like a singer, keep me coming back for more. Too damn long, you've been doing me wrong. I am done. Baby, get gone. Baby, get gone. Baby, get gone, gone. Baby, get gone. It's really dark. I can't actually see the set list. Okay, so Greedy here has like 50 guitars and a second band. So we stole this song from his other band. It's called Wash Away the Sin.
Borrowed, we borrowed.
Sharing his
Without asking.
He wrote it, so it's fine. Wait in the water. Wait in the water, children.
She spends her evenings with
at peace. So he heads down to the river and he falls down on his knees and tries to wash away the sin. Tries to wash away. Come join us in the water. Join us in the water. Come join us in the water. Join us in the water. As we wash away the sin. As we wash away.
Okay, back to our songs now, not the one that I kind of stole. This is actually a love song called Worth the Fight. It was our first single, actually. Keith was right, there's this awkward moment where he's changing one of his 50 guitars, and I'm like going, feel the silence.
Dance, monkey, dance!
You were kidding.
Oh, it's there, right in front of me.
There you go. Ooh, by the way, we do have CDs if you like what you hear. CDs for a fiver. What can you really get for
If
a
you
fiver?
don't
in
like
this
what you
modern
hear,
world?
we also still have CDs.
Yes.
Ready?
Sure.
Ready? I'm not ready. Okay, now I'm ready.
If I don't think or move too fast, if I let go of what is past, if I'm brave enough to let you in, I feel me giving in. I've been so afraid. Tried to make you go, but afraid that you would stay, and now you
So this next song is for anyone who's ever had a dream. Dreams are not easy things to follow. But this song is about how the important thing is that you do follow it, because you learn so much about yourself. And one day when you look back, it doesn't even matter if you got there or not. It just matters this incredible transformation that you have when you follow something with all of your heart. So that is what this song is about, right?
That's gorgeous.
It feels so profound.
I thought it was about kids. Oh.
I know you're sick of the road always being so hard.
God knows how you work, you deserve a much easier run.
Time after time you keep swinging your bat at the ball. Each time that you miss, you're convinced that you're nothing at all. But greatness takes its time. And when you are where you're longing to be, you will be grateful for everything. All the mistakes that you made on the way. Every last minute I'm feeling this way, 'cause it taught you to know you are strong and led you to where you belong. Keep dreaming of where you belong.
The path that you're walking feels winding and endlessly long.
Doesn't mean all the steps that you're taking are wrong.
Everyone questions the places they're aiming towards.
Scared they may fail, yet they feel they will get their rewards. So greatness takes its time. And when you are where you're longing to be, you will be grateful for everything. All the mistakes that you made on the way. Every last minute I'm feeling this way, 'cause it taught you to know you are strong and led you to where you belong. Keep dreaming of where you belong. Nobody said it was easy, or that every dream didn't come at a price. But the voice in your heart that's been there from the start is the reason you learn to survive. And it knows the place you see. Be still and let it speak. And when you are where you're longing to be, you will be grateful for everything. All the mistakes that you made on the way. Every last minute I'm feeling this way, 'cause it taught you to know you are strong and led you to where you belong. One day you'll be where you belong.
Fantastic. What's next?
Oh, it's a good question. Oh, okay, so we've gone from like a kind of nice lilting dreamy song to like an angry one,
Okay.
or as angry as a folk duo ever gets. There's like an orange
Which is pretty miffed.
yes, thoroughly ruffled. This is about an orange douchebag who lives in a White House called Trump. That's the polite version that I used to describe him, because it seems like a nice place. Okay.
I think this one has to go to Peter, surely.
Yes, definitely.
pretend that you won't. Spit on the crowd while they bleed on the ground. Do what you will, it won't be long until we take back what you've stolen from us. You think that you own us like little tin soldiers, well, we're rising up from the dust. Truth is our shield and the swords that we wield are forged from the freedom you stole. We rise from the ashes and gather the masses, united as one as we go, 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 go. We'll take the castle and topple your throne, beg for the mercy that you've never shown. We take our place at the banquet and watch you eat crow.
Cover up eyes. Making us sick with your cheap rhetoric. You sought to deceive, thought you'd have us believe you were saviors and saints to the cause. You betrayed and conspire, your game has backfired. Watch as we tear down the walls. Truth is our shield and the swords that we wield are forged from the freedom you stole. We rise from the ashes and gather the masses, united as one as we go, 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 go. We'll take the castle and topple your throne. We beg for the mercy that you've never shown. We take our place at the banquet and watch you eat crow. Talk must be cheap if the lines that you speak are just nickel and tin, never silver or gold. This is the hour we take back our power, united as one we shall go. Truth is our shield and the swords that we wield are forged from the freedom you stole. Rise from the ashes and gather the masses, united as one as we go. We'll take the castle and topple your throne, beg for the mercy that you've never shown. We take our place at the banquet and watch you eat crow. I just want to qualify. When we said this one went out to Peter, we didn't mean it was about him.
It's a great song.
Oh, sounds better on the album. £5 from us. Available on iTunes, Spotify, blah 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 blah.
Ooh, follow us on like Instagram and Facebook and those places, because millennials, it like does so much for our self-worth, you know, all that kind of stuff. This next song is the first song we wrote together as a duo. One could describe it as a happy, love, unrequited song.
A happy love unrequited song.
I'm just playing.
Okay. Need some water.
Like a Diet Pepsi ad.
The ladies out there. Oh, so quiet. First one we ever wrote. We're so good at it.
Nice expectations.
It's not that I'm afraid, I just know it won't last. I should walk away, no sense in repeating the past.
try to tell myself what I keep thinking about you, and I feel nervous around you. I know I should go, but I can't move my feet. Heaven forbid you should know me. Falling into the rivers is easy, but it's dangerous. So much I don't want you to see. So I keep at a distance, and yeah, I keep thinking about you, and I feel nervous around you. I know I should go, but I can't move my feet. Heaven forbid you should know me. What would you say if I told you the truth? If I admit that I'm scared and confused, would you run or stay? I keep thinking about you, and I feel nervous around you. I know I should go, but I can't move my feet. Heaven forbid you should know me. I keep thinking about you, and I feel nervous around you. I know I should go, but I can't move my feet. Heaven forbid you should know me.
Our last song is off of our album, available for a buy, very hint, hint. It's all about product placement. This is about standing by somebody going through a rotten time, basically, because when you love people, that's what you do for them.
You're making us seem like really nice people.
One has to try.
That's sweet.
Do you want a tissue? I say this with love, you're a little sweaty.
I'd say it's the heat, but I am just that unfit.
You're also ginger. I'm told that this is like a thing.
It is a thing. You don't know the pain.
I don't understand. It's okay, that's what this song's for. Segue. Right.
Maybe it's a second too.
It's the capo in the right place and warm up you put it in completely the wrong place. I mean, I love you.
That's not working at all for me. I'm going to change guitars. Yeah. Oh, look at her!
It's only got like 50 behind him. Why 50? I almost say 50. It's like a very consistent form of exaggeration, I feel.
It's like 5.
Well, 4. We recently moved house and there was one room just for the guitars. There's genuinely 24 of them.
It's a great room.
Alright.
Know you're hurting, I feel your pain. You're mad because
I know you're wondering if things will ever change. Just hold on a little longer. Don't you know you're halfway home? Every storm will make you stronger, and I won't let you weather it alone.
When the whirlwind takes control, I will pull you down and I will break its hold. Rest against me, I'll help you walk. I'll be your pillar like you've always been my rock. Just hold on a little longer. Don't you know you're halfway home? Every storm will make you stronger, and I won't let you weather it alone. You don't have to be so brave, I have got you covered.
You don't need no tricks to prove you're magical.
Baby, you're allowed to show your struggle. Even now, you're irreplaceable. Just hold on a little longer. Don't you know you're halfway home? Every storm will make you stronger, and I won't let you weather it alone. Just hold on a little longer. Don't you know you're halfway home? Every storm will make you stronger, and I won't let you weather it alone.
Thank you. We have been Flora Bird, and you have been fabulous. Stick around, guys.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. What a fabulous set. Give it up, please, again for Tomorrow Bird. And do buy their CD. It's brilliant.